Jaidyn Alexis has gotten a baddies chain.
It is. They know who the gang is. Yeah, on paper, they're a better team.
Right.
They have all the assets and resources that we don't. But let us get on the line, boy, and see if that factors in. I guarantee you it won't.
Wow.
Not the people saying Jaidyn Alexis did not earn her baddie chain. How y'all know? We ain't seen not one episode. So a lot of people are in the uproar and they're saying Natalie Nunn is just handing out baddie chains. Now look, don't be beat me up about this chin picture, honey. I saw it. I thought it was funny. And it looked like Conehead upside down with a tongue out. Child, looked like her nostrils stopped up and everything. But listen, I seen a clip with Jane throwing some hands back in the day and Blue had to get her off of somebody. Y'all, and she posted a photo of her fingers bruised up. So I think she out there chucking and bucking and ducking and looking, right? I think she out there clucking some people. I'm not gonna lie. So let me know why y'all feel that she did not earn her chain when we have not seen one episode. I really want to know. I want to know what the hell did I miss out on. And I am going to try to catch up. Someone want me to start like posting more clips of them. So I will try my best. Please protect your energy and peace by all costs. I'm out.